Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you very special food called Hungry Man Noodles. So guys can see the pack, very big pack. This is Hungry Man Noodles. So some men they sabi eat well. All those small pack didn't do them. They will go for big pack. Can see this is 150. The pack like this is 150. So we will buy 2, 3 and cook and eat once. This one is 2 of that small one, that small pack. So this is Hungry Man Noodle. This is the name that we used to call it in Nigeria, because as e big like this, then know that na some men wey like to eat plenty food, so dem give am name Hungry Man Noodle. So if you go to the shop, if you wan buy, say I want Hungry Man Noodle, they will give you. The other one na small pack, where e dey small pack. So but if you just say I need Hungry Man Noodle, they will know say na the big pack. Can see how the pack big, very big. That's chicken flavor. So this is how e be, and this is what I will prepare today. I have my 2 egg here that I will boil. I have onion here that I've already chopped. I have a pepper, that's chili pepper. I have a carrot and green beans that I've already cut. So I will start now. I will first of all tear the this. I've already put water on the fire, because the way the noodle dey, if you don't allow water to boil before you do it, you soak water. So when you soak water, the thing will not rise, and again you won't like it. If you do it, it will gum. So some even use vegetable oil to prepare it, but I just want to do my own without vegetable oil, because as e big, you put vegetable oil, the thing will be somehow, it looks somehow. So I want to prepare it without vegetable oil. I'll just put everything inside the pan, then I'll start cooking it. Then put my egg on the fire to boil. Some use fried egg, some use sunny side up, some use scrambled egg. So it depends the egg you want. If you want sunny side up, you want fried egg, scrambled egg, you want omelette, Spanish omelette, you want boiled egg, anyone you want, you can use it. But I'm going to use boiled egg. So I will boil the egg and put it in the fire. So let's go to fire. So guys, I see already put water on the fire boil. I've opened the noodles. Now pour it in the pot. After you pour it, you put the noodle, you add pepper. Don't put too much pepper, because if you pepper too much, you will not enjoy it. So after putting the pepper, you now pour your green beans and carrot. After put them, you put onion. This one no need of putting like stock cube again, because this one have season already. The only thing you do, you tear the season and pour it. That is the only thing you do, because it's already have a season. No need of putting stock cube again to season it again. The only thing now, I'll tear it, pour the season. You have mango and you pour this one. After you put everything, you stir them together. Then you cover it like 5 minutes, because it's a quick done. No dey take for fire. So I will cover it like 5 minutes now. As I'm putting this, can see the egg on the fire boiling. I already put the egg. The egg is just 5 minutes done. Wow, let's check the indomie. Wow, it's done. Now off the light. Let me dish it in the plate. So guys can see the Hungry Man noodles. Very simple. You can see I didn't add all vegetable oil. I didn't add salt because those season contain salt, contain stock cube. So no need of adding all those things again. So let me dish it in the plate. Wow. So guys can see it. Can see how big it is, the one pack that I cook. So this is the boiled egg and this is the cucumber that I used to garnish it. So when you garnish your food, the food will look very yummy to attract you to eating it quick. So guys can see, very simple menu to prepare. So even bachelor can do it too because it's not hard. Just pour your Hungry Man noodles inside the pot, put your water on the pot, then you tear it and pour it, put all your season, the vegetable you cut. Some use tomatoes. If you can cut sliced tomatoes, if you want to fry vegetable oil and do it, you can do it. But if you want to cook it like this, you can see the way I cook it without putting vegetable oil. You can see how it look very yummy. So it's not hard to prepare at all. So guys, I want you to try it and see. Cook it in your house and see. You love it. Some fry the indomie. This is direct cook. This is Hungry Man noodles. This is the name. How to cook Hungry Man noodles. Very simple. Cut your vegetable, onion, carrot, green beans, and but if you want to use fresh tomatoes, you can slice fresh tomato and put it. If you want to fry it, you can use vegetable oil and fry it. If you don't want to fry it, just cook it the way I cook it. Then after you do, if you want to use sunny side up for your egg, or you want to use Spanish omelette, if you want to use scrambled egg, any one you like can use. So it's not a big menu, just simple menu that anybody can cook. Even the bachelor can cook, the young girl can cook, even small child can cook. So that's why I prepare it very simple for everybody to know it. Then when you cook your food, you garnish it. Even though that food is not hungry you, then when you garnish your food, immediately you see that garnish, the food will hungry you to eat. You get an appetite to eat the food. So you always, especially noodles, when you prepare your noodles, always garnish it so that the two will look very attractive. So that is all for Hungry Man noodles. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Drop your comment for me. I know you guys have been trying for me. I appreciate. I greet you all. See you in my next video. I love you. Bye.